Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make a working door in Roblox Studio. Let's get into this video. First, you scale this part, turn it into any size you like. Name this door. Now you can set this color to brown. Turn this into wood. And let's just grab an R6 character array quick. I sometimes make a lot of typos, by the way. Scale this. Good enough. Bye bye, R6 character. Now, insert and click the detector. Insert a script inside of this. Follow my instructions. Local brick equals script dot parent. Local clicker equals brick dot click detector. Clicker dot mouse click colon connect function player. Brick, not this, brick dot transparency equals 0. Oops, equals 1. Brick dot can collide equals true. Equals false. Now let me just extract it because I forgot how to do something. Copy. Put this into this. Then paste it into here. Local brick equals game dot workspace. Never mind. Then just grab everything, copy, paste into. Delete this unneeded brick. Not. Just grab the pieces of these code, paste. Let's see what's the error. Let's just redo everything. Local clicker 2. Never mind. Then let's just clone this. Flip this around. Insert this here. And set the transparency to 0. Group it up. Name this door. Name this one door 2. Insert local. Let me just put this here. Remove this. Local brick equals script of parent dot door. Local door 1. Let me just change this. Change this to door 1. Let me change this to door 1. Local. Local door 1. Equal script dot door 2. Local click 1 equals door 1 dot click the detector. Local 2 equals door 2 dot click detector. Clicker 1 dot mouse click dot connect function plr door 2 dot run equals 0. Door 2 dot can collide equals 1 equals true. What? True. Door 1 dot 30 equals 1. Door 2 door 1 dot dot can collide equals false. Copy and paste this, but switch it around. Copy. Boop. Door 1. Door 1. This might work, no one knows. Unless some pro scripter. Huh? What's up with door 2? Hmm? Oh, now I see. Yes, finally. This is the end of the video now, so bye.